Oh, spam the like.
I'm not, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
Hold on, wait. Why is your Hinge like this? Wait, wait. Why is your Hinge like this? Hold on, wait. Hold on. Yeah. What is wrong with you? Oh my god. Nah. They gotta. Yo, Hinge must got some type of AI scanner that like scans your ELO or some shit like. Holy shit.
Yo, is this real? Is this fucking real?
Crying. I'm dead ass in tears. Oh my fucking goodness. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Holy fuck. Oh. Yo, what's up with your Hinge? Oh.
Bro, I feel like I'm like hard stuck bronze in Valorant.
Oh my god.
Bro, it's not funny. Dude! Oh my god! Motherfucker!
Oh fuck! Nah, take off his fanny. Take off his fanny. Take out. You're getting all the talk.
Well, let's change my age too, bro. I'm putting my age down.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's probably better.
They're fucking filtering them out, huh?
Yo, bro. Yo, say look at it.